Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6. The numbers of 6 and again use green color. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use blue color. S E V E and 7. The numbers of 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I T H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. N I N E 9. The numbers of 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 11. Kids now draw 12. The numbers of 12 and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use yellow color. The numbers of 15. Kids again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 18. the numbers of 18. Kids 9 to 19, the numbers of 19, and use blue color, the numbers of 19. Kids again use blue color and draw 20, the numbers of 20. Kids 9 to 21, the numbers of 21, and use black color, 22, the numbers of 22. Kids 9 to 23, the numbers of 23, and use yellow ochre color, Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 24, the numbers of 24. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.